Islamically, within a marriage, is the status of a husband and wife equal, or is there one that's higher than the other?
Being a human being and the partners, they have the equal rights. But there are this division of labor and division of duties. Husband has to work outside, and he's responsible for providing the funds for the household. And wife has to look after the children and take care of the house. So this is the division. But if some girl or some woman is a professional, has a professional degree, and then she is permitted to do a job, provided that job is beneficial for the human beings. Otherwise, you have equal rights, yes. See, this is why you have been given the right of divorce. Islam nahi diya right of divorce to women. No other religion has given this right. You have the right of inheritance of the property, and you have so many other rights.